Cala Blanca is a 4-bedroom residential house located in a unique villa hotel known as Biombo Secrets. Located just 800 meters from the shore in Pererenan, Bali. We chose to design the long volume of the villas on the longest side of the land to create a large plan on which we would have a greater visual amplitude and lower interference from the neighboring villas. As you walk into the corridor, you are driven to the villas by a zigzag walkway, surrounded by lush green, natural stone, and roofs that almost touch each other along the way. Nature is a tonic for physical well-being. It reduces blood pressure, stables heart rate, and decreases the production of stress hormones. Other elements of these biophilic homes are the need for natural light and ventilation and the use of natural materials such as timber, stone, etc., which naturally bring a feeling of mental and physical comfort. Local materials such as wood and stone are harmoniously integrated, their authenticity accentuated by the contrasting, modern foam work shapes infused into the cement. The pool is an architectural design in itself. The organic design, executed with custom marble pieces and a smooth slope, emulates a turquoise beach. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.